Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Shopify user looking to cancel an app subscription in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you're streamlining your business, switching to a new tool, or just managing costs, canceling subscriptions can free up your budget. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do this quickly and without any hassle. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so head over to shopify.com and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. This is your hub for all installed apps and their settings. Now, find the specific app you want to cancel. Click on it to open its details page. Most apps have a Manage or Settings button that leads to subscription options. In 2025, Shopify has made this even easier with updated interfaces, so look for a Subscription or Billing tab within the Apps page. Here, you'll see your current plan and an option to cancel. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Be sure to read any warnings, as some apps might have a grace period or data implications. After confirming, Shopify will process the cancellation, and you should receive a confirmation email shortly. One quick tip: double-check for any auto-renewal settings or pending charges to avoid surprises. And if you run into any issues, Shopify's support team is just a chat away. Reach out through the Help Center. That's it, you've successfully canceled your app subscription. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.